he got some kind of weather center in his house. He's got that little wind thing up there.
Oh, yeah. He's crazy.
Yes. Pedal up the driveway. Stand up. Stand up and pedal.
Is that all you guys are doing, Lovey? That's all you're going to practice?
Keep going.
You're doing it all by yourself, love. Love.
You pretty much know how to do it now, don't you?
Yeah.
You want to go riding some more now? Let's really get good at it now. Let's go.
Fastball. That's my hand.
Stripping slow.
Are you going to whack that? Where's your club? Go get your club.
Hey, Brett. Brett, what if tomorrow you see the boys out riding their bikes in front of the house and you want to go with them, but you're not quite ready yet?
What are you doing, crazy?
Hey, 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 hey.
Do it over here and Mom will record you.
There you go. Over here, buddy. Hit it that way. Hey, do like I showed you, buddy. There you go.
Excellent.
Keep those hands close together. Let me do you one more practice.
No, I don't want.
Okay. Slow down, Brett. Remember what I showed you about taking your time? If there's no rush to hit the ball, Brett, you just want to take your time and hit it. Remember when you're playing golf, Brett, this isn't baseball. Can I do one swing, Brett? Well, then he'll tell me to do them all. Let's go slow, Brett. Hold your
Take
hands
your-
close, hold
take
your
your
hands
time.
Close together. Alright, let me try it. Now, Brett, watch. Hands close together. Just once it starts going, you hit it. See that?
Nice throw, Lovey.
Now watch, Brett. You just hit the button, put the club right here. Once it starts going, you hit it. One more. Watch out, Brett.
One more and then it's your turn, love. All right, it's your turn.
Here, I want to show you how to hold your hands one time. Always keep them close together. One hand here, one hand right there. And then, now once it starts blowing, just hold the club here. Once it starts blowing, you just hit it. There you go. Showed him that before. He followed my directions perfectly on the next one. Hit it real well. And then got crazy again.
You should play hockey.
Hold your hands close together, buddy.
Good job. Nice
Take your
hit.
time.